I tried Streetbeat investing app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. I spent a full week testing Streetbeat investing app, and the experience was eye-opening. Marketed as a cutting-edge AI-driven investment platform, Streetbeat promises to help users make smarter trades by analyzing real-time market data. But does it really deliver? Right off the bat, the onboarding was smooth. After linking my brokerage account, the app began analyzing my portfolio and offered personalized recommendations. Most people get this wrong by blindly following advice, but I quickly realized the key is to understand the reasoning behind each recommendation. Streetbeat provides clear rationales for its suggestions, highlighting trends, historical patterns, and volatility metrics. During the week, I monitored how the AI adjusted its strategies based on market movements. The surprising truth? Streetbeat was surprisingly proactive. It recommended small, low-risk trades during high volatility periods and suggested portfolio rebalancing when asset allocations were off. For someone new to AI-assisted investing, this level of guidance can feel like having a personal analyst at your fingertips. The app also features sentiment analysis, tracking news, social media, and financial reports to gauge market moods. This gave me insights I normally wouldn't catch on my own. However, there were moments where the recommendations leaned too heavily on short-term trends, which could be risky for long-term investors. Title Start. I tried Hargreaves Lansdown Active Savings app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. Title End. Script Start. I tried Hargreaves Lansdown Active Savings app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. I spent an entire week testing the Hargreaves Lansdown Active Savings app, and the results were more revealing than I expected. Known primarily as a robust investment platform, Hargreaves Lansdown recently expanded into active savings, promising users higher interest rates and flexible access to funds. But does it actually live up to the hype? The first thing that struck me was the onboarding process. Setting up the account was seamless, taking less than 5 minutes. The app quickly assessed my risk profile and offered a range of savings options, including fixed-term and instant access accounts. Most people get this wrong by assuming all savings apps are the same, but Hargreaves Lansdown differentiates itself by combining strong security with a simple interface. Over the week, I experimented with moving money between accounts and monitoring interest accrual. The surprising truth? The app makes it incredibly easy to optimize your returns. Notifications get me informed about interest updates and account milestones, which most other savings platforms don't do. I particularly appreciated the transparency around fees, or rather, the lack of hidden charges. Another feature worth noting is the analytics dashboard. It visually breaks down how your funds are performing compared to standard savings rates. This was enlightening because it highlighted just how much of a difference small interest rate variations can make over time. However, I did notice that while the app is excellent for short-term savings and flexibility, it's not a substitute for long-term investment strategies. The returns, although higher than traditional high street accounts, are still modest compared to stocks or bonds. In conclusion, the Hargreaves Lansdown Active Savings app is ideal for anyone looking to maximize returns on short-term savings without compromising accessibility or security. It's user-friendly, transparent, and intelligently designed. If you want a safe, flexible place to grow your cash while keeping an eye on your earnings, this app is worth exploring. Just remember, for long-term growth, you'll still want to complement it with traditional investments.